Nurses from Mercy Health are gathering right now for a rally, calling for more staffing and PPE to help them fight the pandemic, and they need that help. Our Lauren Edwards is there live after speaking with nurses earlier today about that message. Lauren.
Yeah, Doug, and I can tell you right now, their main message is they need help and they need it now. So I'm going to step out of the way so you could see what's going on. There's someone speaking at a poem. There are dozens of people out here, nurses and supporters. And there's also a sign, a lighted sign you can see over behind the guy who's speaking, says United for Safety at Mercy. And again, dozens of them are just out here, and they all say the same thing, that they are stressed and they need help. Fred Wise, who we spoke with earlier today, is a registered nurse at Mercy and says nurses don't have enough personal protective equipment. He says he'd like the N95 mask or the respirator type mask, but they simply just don't have that. And he says they're also tired. They've been short-staffed for years, but because of COVID this year, they are really feeling it. So he says an agency was hired to help them because of the surge back in October, but it's not enough. They work a lot of doubles. Nurses end up sticking around because the need is so great, but they are stressed out.
You get tired. It's hard to constantly every shift go in and know that your load is going to be more, the acuity's high, and that you're probably going to be asked to stay late, not just once, 4 or 5 times. There's a lot of feeling like there's no resolution.
Now you can see the rally still going on, and we reached out to Mercy Health, and in a statement they said that they do have the necessary PPE and are always monitoring supply levels, but it's a challenging time, they say, and they've also hired 78 employees in the last 2 months to help them. And the statement went on to say that, quote, the hospital leadership has been meeting regularly with union leadership and addressing concerns presented to us. More challenging times are ahead, but we have renewed hope with the approval of the first vaccines and the positive effect of COVID-19 precautions. So again, as you guys can see here, the rally is going on. You can see them with signs. You can see them with lit candles as well. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to get in the camera way, but I just want you to see what's going on out here. Now, again, their main message, as they've said many of times, is that they are stressed out. They need help, and they need help now. It cannot delay. Reporting live here in Muskegon, Lauren Edwards, Fox 17 News.
All right, thank you for that, Lauren. The State Health Department is opening